The relationship between man, territory, economic expenditure has become the key reading of the sustainability to realize 21st century infrastructures and services. Tratos itself is the spokesman of the principle through the research and the development of new products and promoting the employment of new technologies at very low, if not zero, environmental impacts, which are able to give an advantage to the community with the lowest cost and discomfort. The progress of non-invasive scientific and technical knowledges in the technology field for the realization of services infrastructure significantly reduces the economical, social, and environmental costs caused by outdoor excavation. The usage of the alternative technologies with a low environmental impact allowed to adopt sometimes very easy and sometimes high technology advanced solutions that reduce the roads and the excavation breakings and the soil's handling, limiting the inconvenience to the infrastructure's realization and maintenance. All this, in addition of giving economical advantages, involves a better usage of the existing infrastructure and is sure advantage for the local authorities on the territory development and management. In the past, different types of optical cables were utilized depending on their use. EX self-supporting aerial cables, underground laid cables, or drains cable. Nowadays, with new microcables and microtube applications, the scenario is completely different. The first step is to build up the infrastructure through the microtubes, single or equipped ones. Completely dielectric, or with the metal protection like the aerial triple tube or the quadrotube EVE or the pentatube H9E. Afterwards, the microcable will be blown inside the sort of circuit. Microcables are none other than optical cables with high density and very reduced diameter. During this video, we will show you the 144 fiber cables with 6 tubes and a diameter equal to 6.3 millimeter, and 192 fiber cables with 8 tubes and 7.5 millimeter diameter. Atostic microcables. Last born of Tratos Microcables are the atostic and fire retardant versions, equally blown for sufficient distances between the microtubes. This solution completely solves the problem, the joint outside the central office. All this has many advantages, such as the chance to make the maximum use of pre-existing infrastructure, such as telecommunications piling and piping, public lighting, sewers, and where it's not possible to create new low-cost, low social and environmental impacts through new no-digging excavation technologies in mini-trench. All this will lead to a lower cost and impact on infrastructure maintenance, and the presence of re-enterable and reusable infrastructures. This is because we utilize one tube only, while the others remain free. We should not underestimate the use of a single cable's type, the microcable with high capacity and very reduced thickness and diameters 144 fiber on 6.3 millimeter and 192 fiber on 7.5 millimeter, available at lower cost and available in one single length of several kilometers, and with a considerable saving on the minimum needful for what concern the joints and the optical closures, and on the logistics side for those installers who have to deal with one cable type only.